Hello friends, welcome to my channel Sanchari the Travelogue. There are 12 Jyothirlingas in India. Today we are at first and the oldest Jyothirling temple, that is Somnath. Welcome to Somnath. The Somnath Temple is located on the western coast of India, that is in Prabhaspatan near Veraval in Saurashtra, Gujarat. There are 12 Jyothirlingas. But what is the importance of these Jyothirlingas? Well, it is believed that Jyothirlingas is the divine place of India where Lord Shiva lived in different forms. Jyoti means light or radiance. Linga means sign. So the word Jyothirlinga means radiant sign of Lord Shiva. Today I have come to Somnath, which is the oldest and first Jyothirlinga in India. Friends, since we travel by our own vehicle, we always concerned for the safety of the car, that is the safest parking. Somnath Temple avails the safe parking area just few kilometers away from the temple. From there you will get a free bus services and auto services up to the temple. They charge Rs 50 for the car parking. There are a lot of restrictions to enter Somnath Temple. They won't allow mobile phone cameras and other electrical items inside the temple. Even bags are not allowed inside. We need to deposit these items in the deposit counter located outside the temple complex. This is the main entrance of the temple. But first, let's hear a small story of this temple. Prajapati Daksha, the son of Lord Brahma, had 27 daughters who were married to the moon Chandra. Moon became more fascinated by one daughter, Rohini. When Prajapati noticed that the moon did not pay much attention to the rest of his daughter, he got very angry and cursed him that as much as he is proud of its beauty, it should be destroyed. In order to protect himself from this curse, the moon came to Lord Shiva in Somnath. The moon god is said to have been relieved from the curse of his father-in-law Daksha Prajapati by the blessings of Bhagavan Somnath. In Shiva Purana and Nandi Upapurana, Shiva said, I am always present everywhere but especially in 12 forms and the places as the Jyothirlinga. Somnath is one of these 12 holy places. It is believed that original temple was built by moon god in Satyayug with gold, by Ravana in Treta Yug with silver, and by Krishna in Dwapara Yug in sandalwood, and finally by Bhimadeva in stone. The latest temple is made with reddish yellow stones. This temple was demolished 16 times to be precise, but it was rebuilt in 1947 by the son of Gujarat, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. And that's why his statue is here even today. And recently, our Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji inaugurated many main projects of this temple. The architecture of Somnath Temple is really mesmerizing. It shows India's rich heritage. Stepping inside, one can feel the divine presence that has drawn pilgrims from centuries. At the heart of the temple lies Shivalingam, a symbol of Lord Shiva's presence. The main part of the temple where Jyothirlinga is, it's all made of gold. It's so beautiful. The exact architecture, design, everything has been created in gold. Yes, pure gold. Before entering for darshan, devotees can buy Ganga Jal from the temple stall located inside the temple premises. They can do Abhishekam to Lord Somnath from this Ganga Jal. Saurashtra Sundaram Somanatheshwaram. Jai Somnath. The temple opens for darshan from morning 6 am to night 9 pm. There are 3 times Aarti performed at temple, thus devotees can attend Aarti at 7 am, 12 noon and 7 pm. Friends, lift facility is available for physically challenged and old age people. Lot of care will be taken by the temple staff especially for these people. So everyone can have a darshan of Lord Somnath. Special attraction of Somnath Temple is there is a huge auditorium here where you can sit comfortably and enjoy light and sound show. The light and sound show at the temple is splendid experience and should not be missed. The timings of light show are 8 pm to 9 pm. Ticket prices are 30 rupees for adults and 10 rupees for children. Tickets are sold after 6:30 pm at single window. Therefore, to avoid long queues, purchase the ticket as early as possible. This light and sound show makes us more knowledgeable while knowing the complete history of Somnath Temple. There are many prasadam outlets inside the temple complex. There are different types of prasadams available here which will be neatly packed. Friends, the most interesting part of this temple apart from the Shivaling is Bhanastham, that is arrow pillar. It indicates the unobstructed sea route to the South Pole. The nearest land towards South Pole is about 9,936 kilometers. This pillar having an arrow pointing towards South Pole, it is claimed that one can follow the direction to reach South Pole through waterway without touching any piece of land. The best part of Somnath Temple is its location. On one side there is a temple and on the other side is an uninterrupted view of the ocean. The new thing about the Somnath Temple is there is 1.5 kilometer long promenade has been built here where you can walk or ride a bicycle by rented one.
5 rupees per person to entry for the ocean view.
We can enjoy the view of temple from outside and on the other side there is a beautiful ocean. Somnath Seafront is a beautiful area near the temple that offers a stunning view of Arabian Sea. Visitor can take a leisurely walk here. Seafront is often adorned with well-maintained gardens, sculptures and seating areas where people can relax and take in surroundings. Combination of ancient temple, spiritual significance of the location, scenic beauty of seafronts make the Somnath Temple a popular destination for both religious devotees and tourists alike. It's a place where visitors can immerse themselves in the rich cultural and religious heritage of India while also appreciating the natural beauty of coastline. This is the place perfect for photography. After darshan of new Somnath Temple, you can visit old Somnath Temple, just adjacent road to new Somnath Temple. This is the old Somnath Temple, which was rebuilt by Queen Ahalya Bai, the Queen of Maratha Empire in 18th century. After the temple was repeatedly destroyed and rebuilt several times over the centuries, it fell into the state of disrepair. It was the queen who took initiative to restore and rebuild Somnath Temple here. Her efforts were the part of her broader mission to revive and preserve Hindu temples across India. It is said that the original Somnath Lingam, which was worshipped by the Lord Moon, is here. Here we can perform Abhishekam and Puja rituals in this temple. The temple of Somnath is a symbol of victory over construction on destruction. Whenever someone wants to destroy this temple, it was rebuilt. It is said that there is a power of devotion. This place truly proves it. It's a place where spirituality meets natural beauty. As we conclude our journey, remember that Somnath Temple is not just a place of worship, it's the enduring power of spirituality. Thank you for joining us on this enlightening journey. Hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more adventures and spiritual journey with us. Thank you.